How to transfer files from iPhone to laptop with Google Drive. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, install the Google Drive and make sure that you are logged into your Google Drive with your Google account. Now tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of your screen and select Upload option available there. Choose photos and videos or browse to pick documents, PDF or other files and wait for the upload to finish. Files will appear in your drive once you simply choose the file you want to save it on your drive. So let me just go to my photos and videos and choose one. So now tap on the upload button available there and upload it to your drive. Now on your laptop, use the same Google Drive and sign in with the same Google account you used on your iPhone. Now find the files you uploaded from your iPhone and select download. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.